Your university account gives you access to a range of IT services. Desktop systems, including Linux, Windows and Mac. A wide range of software is also available. Email with 50 GB of storage. A personal file store with 1 TB of storage using OneDrive for Business. Wired and wireless access to the Internet. Remote access and virtual desktop service for off-campus access. Online library resources. Visit My Surrey for all services and IT information. Your university username and password gives you access to most systems and services. You will need to use the Microsoft Authenticator app or use a text call code when logging into the university services. First, you need to activate your account, then set up the Microsoft Multi-Factor Authentication. Next, set up your self-service password reset. Once set up, you can change or reset your password at any time via the links on My Surrey. Your account details are for your use only. IT will never ask for your password. Please visit it.surrey.ac.uk for full instructions, or scan the QR code on screen. While studying at Surrey, you can connect your personal devices to the university's wireless network. Secure wireless internet access is available in all academic buildings using Eduroam. Connect to Eduroam using the Eduroam configuration tool. Visit My Surrey for details on how to connect, or scan the QR code on screen. Guest Wi-Fi is also available. There is a high-speed wired network to each desk and a large backbone between university buildings. Office 365 gives you access to your familiar Office apps across 5 devices. Store and share files with OneDrive and SharePoint Online, meet and collaborate in Teams, and manage your diary and email in Outlook. At the University of Surrey, you will be provided with email and a calendar with 50 GB of storage. Your university email is the main point of contact between you and the university, so check it regularly. You can access email from any device connected to the internet. Log into your email by visiting surrey365.surrey.ac.uk. Download the mobile app to access from your phone. More information about how to access Surrey 365 can be found on My Surrey. All PhDs are provided with 1 TB of personal file store to save your work using OneDrive. With OneDrive, you can share files and access them anywhere with a good internet connection. This space is secure and is backed up frequently. We recommend that you use this for all your important work documents. OneDrive is accessible from both on and off campus. See it.surrey.ac.uk for full details. Most services including email, My Surrey, Teams, OneDrive, Office 365 and some web services can be accessed from anywhere with a good internet connection. Download the My Surrey app onto your mobile for quick access to all the most useful university services. The remote access service is called Global Protect. Instructions about how to connect are at it.surrey.ac.uk. Services requiring remote access include library resources, journals and exam papers, and the printing online payment system. We also have SSH servers you can use to get access to some services. Two-factor authentication will be needed when logging into access.eps.surrey.ac.uk. Transform your device into a virtual university machine so that you have the same experience as if you were using a PC on campus. The virtual desktop service gives you access to your university Windows desktop from anywhere with a good internet connection. To access this service, visit desktops.surrey.ac.uk. IT services offer a wide variety of software in the computer labs on campus, as well as licensed software for your own device. Access the latest Windows software for free at appstore.surrey.ac.uk. Log in using your university account details. Applications are delivered to your computer within minutes. As a student at Surrey, you can download Microsoft Office 365 for free. You will also be eligible for several offers and discounts on Apple, Microsoft and Dell products. Follow these tips in order to keep your university account secure. Never share your password. Never write your password down. Never reuse your password. Never use easy to guess information such as your birth date as your password. If you receive an email that seems suspicious, do not respond, do not click any links or open any attachments, and report it as phishing. Ensure your university files are stored in OneDrive so that they are backed up and protected. Personal files should not be stored in OneDrive, as you will no longer have access to this after you graduate. It is important you ensure your device is up to date at all times. Instructions on how to check the status of your machine can be found on My Surrey. Please ensure you have adequate virus protection in place on your device. Further instructions can be found on My Surrey. You may have some involvement with the purchasing of IT hardware or software. Surrey has various EU, national and regional procurement agreements for the supply of various goods and services. Do not purchase IT equipment with your personal money or credit card. Contact IT support with your requirements and we will guide you through the process. All purchases require budget holder approval and IT sign-off. Here are some of the things that IT can advise on. Hardware requirements, new laptops or desktops, specialist equipment, for example VR or HPC, for software, identifying existing solutions, purchasing new software, reviewing license agreement as freeware isn't always free, usability and compatibility advice. For resources, multiple teams that can offer expertise in many different areas. Our range of existing services include focus on compute and data intensive workloads, running simulations, processing large quantities of data, storing large datasets, and collaboration. At the University of Surrey, we have an on-premise research file store. This supports computational work, it has a high capacity, it's high performance, it has a common area for research groups or projects, the compute servers are directly connected, the storage web form can be located at filestorage.surrey.ac.uk/storage/sign-in or scan the QR code on screen for more information. At the University of Surrey, we have HPC and HTC services. The high-performance computing cluster is called Eureka. This is mainly for parallel simulations, multi-core and multi-node. This has 100 nodes or servers, guest access so that you can try before you buy nodes, dedicated or shared. The HTC cluster is called Condor. This is useful for data-intensive workloads, and this is coupled to the research file store. GitLab is a complete DevOps platform delivered as a single application. With GitLab, you have access to the code repository, versioning, branching and issues. Multiple users can collaborate on a shared codebase. You can distribute code and work with internal and external collaborators. There are over 2,000 repositories and 1,500 users. The IT service status page, itstatus.surrey.ac.uk, provides information about the availability of core IT services at the University of Surrey. Scan the QR code on screen for more information. The page lists any current issues, updates, and planned maintenance. If the issue you are experiencing is listed there, check back regularly for updates and if it's been restored. If the issue you are experiencing is not listed there, then please contact the IT Service Desk. Save time and check the IT Service status page before reporting an issue. Email itservicdesk@surrey.ac.uk or call 01483 689 898 or live chat via it.surrey.ac.uk. Book an appointment using the link on screen. All calls are logged and you will receive a unique request number. Please provide as much information as you think is useful, including details of your request or error with screenshots if possible. Remember to include your contact number and email. Please do not send emails to individual IT staff. IT Services will try to keep you informed of system events, updates and issues using the IT status page and social media. To keep informed, follow IT Services on Twitter @UniofSurreyIT or subscribe to our YouTube channel for help videos. This can be found at youtube.com/user/universityit or scan the QR code on screen. Videos are being added all the time,